Alright guys, so we're going to talk about 6.2e ways to divide. So I just, this is something we've already gone over, but I just want to go over it really quickly. So for example, if I have 6 apples, I have 6 apples and I want to share them with my friend. So that means there's me and my friend. So that means there's 2 people. And I'm going to share it equally with him because I'm a good friend, right? So see, you start with what you have and you divide by how many groups. So I'm going to separate it into 2 groups. So the way I would do it, I would 1, 2, 3. That's one group and there's another group. So my answer would be there's 2 groups and in each group there's 3. So that's how you do division. Now also, so I also want to explain. So the first number is my cowboy, the second number is my horse. That's another way you can think about it. The first number is your cowboy. So also, you guys know how to do this one really well, see, because the total that you have, that's what your total is, that's your whole number, that goes on the inside, see? So on the inside is your cowboy. That makes sense, right? Your cowboy goes inside the house and the horse stays on the outside. So, see? And that's your number of groups. And that's how you work it out. So see, now you see how many times can I take away 2 from 6? So 2, 4, 6. I can take it away 3 times. That goes right here. And then the last one is your fraction. So now your cowboy goes inside, so he's the one that goes on the top of the fraction. So that's why 6 goes on top and 2 goes on the bottom. And I know that it looks weird because we don't really like the big number on the top, but this is how it goes. So make sure that you're doing it like this. So your horse goes on the outside, your cowboy goes on the inside. Your cowboy goes first on the number sentence, and in a fraction your cowboy goes on the top. So that is your 3 ways to divide.